Today I am creating this soft, glowy, clean girl glam. So let's get started. First, always prep your skin. Moisturizer is a must for smooth and hydrated makeup. Next, apply a light serum. Let it absorb completely to avoid a patchy base. Don't skip sunscreen, protect your skin and create a healthy glow. Primer time. Focus on areas where you have bigger pores for a smooth, blurred finish. Now correct dark areas with an orange corrector. This helps brighten and even the skin tone. Lightly dust translucent powder over the corrector. Apply concealer in a triangle under your eyes. Wait a few seconds before blending for more coverage. Start applying foundation with a brush first. This saves product and keep the finish natural. Then blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. This melts the foundation into your skin for a skin-like glow. Brush your brows upwards. Fill lightly and brush again for a soft, natural look. Contour just slightly above your natural shadows. Blend with a brush first, then sponge to remove any harsh line. Bake lightly under the contour and under eyes. This sharpens and locks the makeup in. Apply blush in a C shape from your cheeks to above the ear. It gives a youthful lifted look. For the eyes, use a soft beige as your base. Deepen the outer corners with a medium brown shade. Blend it in small circles for a soft tip. Add a lighter brown to your crease and create a soft wing with a shadow. Highlight under your brows with a stubble shimmer for that lifted eye effect. Contour the nose softly, blend well and add a bit of concealer on the bridge for a snatched look. Highlight the high points of your cheeks, nose tip and cupid bow for a fresh glow. Apply a sharp winged liner. If it's smudged, clean it gently with a brow brush. Curl your lashes, apply mascara to upper and lower lashes for fluttery eyes. Don't forget a little eyeshadow under the lower lashes adds definition. Line your lips with a brow pencil. Fill the center with a red lipstick and blend softly. Top with a little setting powder to lock the lip color. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more looks.